Alright, so I'm gonna be doing Puzzle Streak, a challenge to see how far I can go. I think I might have done this just maybe once or twice, uh, but I wanted to see how many puzzles I can do at a streak. So the way Puzzle Streak works, for those who are probably unaware of it, is that it starts from a really easy level and it keeps increasing in difficulty as you keep moving up in terms of the number of puzzles. There's no time limit in terms of how many puzzles you can solve. It's just about building your stamina. So let's get going. So I have logged into Lichess. Zug BD Academy is my login, and I'm going to start with Puzzle Streak. So black moves bishop to f5. I think this is fairly straightforward. You just push the pawn because he cannot prevent it any other way. He has to capture it, and that helps you win the game. Alright, so that's one done. Bishop endgames. So this is opposite color bishop, which usually ends in a draw, but this time it's going to be black winning thanks to this discovered check, which allows me to keep sharp. Queen moves there. What do I do? This is a discovered double attack. So bishop gives a check, king moves, queen takes. Many of them are easy and you want to do it pretty fast, but the idea here is being able to get it right. So this is a fork and a pin put together. The pawn can't capture the knight because it's a pin, and once the king moves, you capture. This is straightforward capture the bishop, but there's an intermediate move which is a check, forcing the king there, and now when you take it, it's actually check. Alright, so that's 5 done. What do I do here? I'm kind of guessing this is like a checkmate. Alrighty, so more into the opening, just 8 moves into the game, and something's gone wrong. Let's push the pawn forward, and I'm guessing this is a fork, a check where you cannot defend the bishop. Queen takes it. 7, attacking bishop. So I could just take it. Rook is forced to move forward. Queen takes. Okay, that's 8 on the trot. 8 on the trot. King is kind of stuck. Not many places he can go to. Is it possible that it's a fork between these two? So black threatens to promote, white threatens to promote. So you've got to just stop him. He gives a check. Okay. So this works because I capture, give a check, he takes it, and then I take the queen, giving me a rook advantage. So we are around the 1300s in terms of the puzzle level. So the question is, do I promote or do I capture? Because if I capture, there's no way I win, so I cut. He takes that and I take. What's the winning move here? I think I take the queen, pawn takes king here, and there's no way he can kind of prevent it. And that's me. What do I do here? Okay, so I give a check and I give another check and I okay. This is discover double attack. I get to take the queen. I did the pawn. So can I just give Azwajan's move? So an in-between check. King moves wherever he wants and I take his queen. Kind of the thick of the middle game. I could give a check with the rook and with the queen and then with this. Alright, we're at 17 done. I do rook takes rook. This is a tricky one. Rook takes rook. I push the pawn forward. He blocks it again. And then I attack the rook. That seems to be the only viable. Alright, 18. And how do we see ourselves? Rook moves away. I give a check. Oh, that was a mouse slip. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was a mouse slip. Nevertheless, it's a start. It's a start with 18. So let's see how I can beat it as I go along. So the right answer in the meantime was rook e1, queen h4 seemed to be right. Rook takes g1. Queen and the queen e1 checkmate. That was an easy one. It's just 1500. It would not have been hard. It would not have been. So gotta try again tomorrow. But 18 is a start. That's my first on the streak. Let me see how far I go. Thank you so much for watching.